Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we can see dice and cubes. So in this video we are going to see basics of dice and cubes. So dice means what? A dice or cube is a three-dimension of square is called dice or cubes. So it's a square. So three dimension of square is called a cube, or we can call it as dice. So we are having four varieties or more than four varieties. In the examination, we will be using these four varieties. The first variety is dice will be having numbers, and second variety it may be having dots. The third variety may be having symbols, and in fourth variety will be having alphabets. In some dice it will be having confluence or mixing of all these varieties. So generally in examination we'll be having this four varieties of dice. Here totally we will be having six different faces. That is very important. Six different faces. In general, we will be having numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be in order. If it is an alphabet, it will be like this: A, B, C, C, D, E, and F. Okay, generally it will be in order. Sometimes they will give in random way. Okay, it will be like this: 4, 8, 11, 50, like this. It may be in random. So what do you want to do in the first step while starting preparing for this dice and cubes? So in six phases, you want to determine what are the six different phases given in the dice. Okay, that's the first step. If it is in correct order, so no need to worry about that. If it is in random order, first you need to determine what are the six different phases. Then you want to start the question. Okay, so we are having six different phases. So one, two, three, four, five, six, six different phases. And we'll be having eight corners. So totally we'll be having eight corners. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So we'll be having eight corners. And edges, we'll be having 12 edges. So this is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally how many edges? 12 edges. So in face, we'll be having six face. In corner, we'll be having eight corners, and edge we'll be having 12 edges. So in question paper, we can see only three faces of the dice. Okay, we can't see more than three. So only three faces of the dice can be visible in two-dimensional format. Okay, in question paper or in any other examination pattern, we can see only three faces, three adjacent faces of the dice. And then, so there are types. So first type and second type and third type and finally fourth type. So we can see one by one of these types. The first type is in question paper there will be three dice or four dice. So what is the first step in type number one? First step is very important. You want to choose two dice. Okay, choose two dice. So in that two, what is the condition means? In that two dice, only one face must be common. Okay, so in that manner you want to choose two dice. So okay, very important. In type number one, most of the questions are asked from type number one. While choosing two dice, in that two dice only one face must be common. See this two dice. In this two dice, which is common? Number three is common. There is only one face is common. So that is the first step. Second step is starting from the common face, write all other numbers or all other faces in the clockwise order. Starting from the common face, you want to write all other numbers or faces in clockwise order. That is starting from 3. After 3 in clockwise order, it is what? 4, then 2. Correct? So 3, 4, 2. In second dice also you want to write in clockwise. 3, 5, 6. So this is the second step. So write the numbers in clockwise starting from the common face. And third and final step is, we know there are six different faces. Correct? In one dice there will be six different faces. Here face 2 is here, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, which is not there. Face number 1 is not there. So third phase is replace any one of the common with the missing face. Replace any one of the common with the missing face. So 1 is missing here. So we can replace the common with the missing. Now we can say 3 is opposite to 1, 4 is opposite to 5, and 2 is opposite to 6. Okay, so by using type 1, we can able to answer all the opposites. That is very, very important. By using type 1, we can able to answer all the opposites. I will say once again. See this. In this, you want to choose two days which is having only one face is common. Face number 2 is common. Okay. So our first step is got over. Second step is write the numbers in clockwise starting from the common face. So 2, 4, 1 in the first day. 2, 4, and then 1. And here 2, 6, 3. 2, 6, 3. So in this way you want to write it. And third step is replace the common. Replace any one of the common with the missing. Which is missing here? 1 is represented, 2 is represented, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5 is not there, 6 is here. So replace any one of the common with the missing. So I can say 2 and 5 are opposite to each other. And 4 and 6 are opposite to each other. And 1 and 3 are opposite to each other. Okay. Now see this question. This is important. 3 dice are given in this diagram. So what you want to do? The first step is you want to choose any 2 dice. That is your wish. You can choose any 2 dice, but the condition is only one face must be common. Can I choose 1 and 2? Yes, I can choose 1 and 2 because only one face is common. That is 6 face. 6 dot face is common in both the dice. Only one face must be common, not more than one. Only one face must be common. So 6 faces are common. Now 6. After 6 you want to write 2 because write the numbers in clockwise, and then 4. And second day 6. After 6 you want to write 5, then 1. Which is missing here? 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is not there. Replace the common with the missing. So now I can say 6 is opposite to 3, 2 is opposite to 5, and 1 is opposite to 4. So by using type number 1, we can able to answer all the opposites. Okay, I will do this question. What is opposite to 6? This is the question. You want to choose any 2 days which is having only one face common. Can I choose 1 and 2? Yes, I can choose 1 and 2 because face number 4 is common. Okay. So first step is got over. Second step is replace the write the numbers in clockwise starting from the common. 4, 5, 1 the first day, 4, 3, 6 second days. Which is missing here? 2 is missing. So replace common with the missing. Now question is what is opposite to 6? Opposite to 6 is what? 1. Answer is 1. Even you can choose any different pair. Okay. Can I choose 1 and 3? Yes. Can I choose 1 and 3? Yes. So what is the common in 1 and 3? 5 is the common face. So 5, 1, 4, and 5, 6, 2. Which is missing face? 3 is missing. So replace the common with the missing. Now question is what? 1 is opposite to 6. So even if you choose any different way, you will get the same answer. Right? And type number 2. Type number 2. So first type, what is very, very important? You want to choose 2 dice which is having only one face in common. Type number 2. In type number 2, you want to choose two dice. Okay, you want to choose 2 dice, but condition is you want to choose 2 dice which is having two face common. Okay, that is important. Type number 1 means one face common. Type number 2 means two face common. So here in this 2 dice, what is common? 6, 4, 6, 4 common. Correct? 6, 4, 6, 4 common. Okay, so this is what type number 2's first step. Type number 2's first step is you want to choose 2 days which is having two faces in common. So 6, 4, 6, 4. If two faces are common in 2 days, the remaining visible faces are opposite to each other. So I can say remaining visible faces. Here what is visible? 1 is visible. Here what is visible? 5 is visible. So I can say 1 and 5 are opposite to each other. Okay. If two faces are common in 2 days, remaining visible faces are opposite to each other. I can say 1 and 5 are opposites. Now question, see this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know there are 6 numbers, 6 faces are there. 1 is opposite to 5, yes. 5 is opposite to 1, correct. Can I say 2 is opposite, 3 is opposite, 4 is opposite, 6 is opposite? By using this 2 dice, I can't conclude exactly what is opposite to 2, what is opposite to 3, what is opposite to 4, and what is opposite to 6. So answer must be what? Cannot be determined because we can't able to say exactly what will be opposite to 2, what will be opposite to 3, and what will be opposite to 4. So again I will say this, if 2 dice are there, okay, the second type, if you are going to use a second type, if you are going to use the second type, choose 2 days which is having two faces are common. In this 6464 are common, remaining visible faces are opposite to each other. So I can conclude that 1 and 5 are opposite to each other. I can't conclude anything about other numbers. I can't say exactly what would be opposite to 2, 3, 4 and 6. One more example, see this. Suppose I am choosing 2 days, 1, 2, 4, 4, 1, 3. Okay, cancel like this. These are 2 days. So what is type number 2? Choosing 2 days which is having two faces are common. Here 1, 4, 1, 4 are common. If two faces are common, the remaining visible faces are opposite to each other. So I can say 2 is opposite to 3. So I can exactly say 2 is opposite to 3. What about 1? I can say 2 is opposite to 3, 3 is opposite to 2, yes. What about 1? Cannot be determined. 4 cannot be determined. 5 cannot be determined. And 6 is what? Cannot be determined. So if 2 days are two faces are common in 2 days, only remaining visible faces are opposite to each other. Other than that, I can't conclude exactly anything. Possibly I can say any answers. Possibly it may be the possible, but I can't exactly say what is the opposite faces. So by using type 1, we can exactly say 6 different faces and 6 opposite faces. In type number 2, we can't able to say all the faces opposites. Only remaining visible faces opposites we can able to say. Right? So revise this again, see these videos again. For type number 3 and 4, see the next video. So with that, we can conclude the dice and cubes. Okay. So share this video to your friend and clear this exam. Thank you.